Today, I'll show you a Maschine MK3 Ableton trick to uncover hidden 909 bass drum gems in your Maschine expansions. By recreating 909 drum machine presets like those in Drumazon 2 and playing a simple MIDI clip, you can transform ordinary kick samples into powerful bass drums that blend seamlessly into your mix. Let's listen to this kick sample before and after processing, both on its own and in the drum mix. All it took to make the kick sample sit well in the mix was a compressor and an EQ on the bass drum channel strip. Without these, the kick just didn't fit. The signal is routed to the drum bus, where I use Ozon's multiband compressor to glue the drum samples together and the limiter for added control. Let me show you why this is a crucial step. I'll make another tutorial to show you exactly how to do this, so make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. This technique changes how you choose and listen to kick samples. Plus, the Maschine 2 factory that came with your Maschine MK3 controller is already packed with these classic sounds. Now, let's dive in. This is a starting point, but for a bass drum like this, start with an AHD envelope. Set the attack to 0 milliseconds, hold to 340 milliseconds, and decay to 50 milliseconds. Enable the high-pass filter to remove unwanted frequencies and make the kick sound tighter and more focused. Set the resonance to 20% and the cutoff to around 70 Hz. This will add more emphasis to the fundamental frequency or harmonics, making the kick more prominent and defined in the mix. Now let's move on to compression. This is where the settings might surprise you. Let's take a quick look at Drumazon 2. The attack is set to 1 millisecond, the release to 1 millisecond as well, and the ratio to 13. Add a compressor to your bass drum audio track, enter the same settings, hit play, compress 10 dB, and ensure the levels match pre and post compression. Now let's do a quick A/B comparison. Everything sounds great, now let's move on to EQ. Let's take a look at the EQ section on Drumazon 2. There's a significant boost at around 55 Hz for the clearer bass and a substantial cut at 470 Hz to remove boxiness, so we'll aim for a similar effect here. First, add EQ weight and open it. Start with a high-pass filter at 30 Hz and a low-pass filter at 9 kHz. My kick is tuned to C, which is at 65 Hz, and that's the frequency I want to boost. Now let's replicate the cut we observed earlier in Drumazon 2. Sweep through the frequency range between 200 and 500 Hz and apply a cut where the boxiness is most pronounced. This can significantly enhance the clarity and punch of your kick drum, but make this adjustment based on what sounds best in the context of the entire mix. Now let's listen to this kick drum before and after EQ. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to process the tom to give your drum mix that powerful low-end punch. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.